Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk how to block your BDO Bank debit card. In case you lost your card or your card is stolen, so in that case, how to block your debit card from your app online. Today we will talk about this process. So I'm going to teach you the whole process of blocking your debit card of BDO Bank. So watch the video till end, do not skipping part of it. Before we learn how to block your BDO Bank debit card, if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. So the first thing you have to do is to log in your mobile app. When you log in your mobile app, the interface you will see like this. You have to give your username and password and then you have to click login. When you log in, you have to choose a security management, and when you choose the security management, the interface will be changed. You will see the kind of interface, and here you can see card is active, and in front of it here is the green button. Just you need to click this button, and as you click this button, the status will be changed, the card will be blocked as I do it in front of you. Just watch it. Okay, this is the simple, very simple method. As I click it, there will be a message. Look, you can see it. The message says a locked card may not be used at any ATM. The message means once you locked your card, the card will not be used. Now click OK, and you can see the card is locked now, or card is blocked now. If you want to unlock the card, just press the button again and the card will be unlocked, then you can use it at any ATM. So this was the simple process by which you can block your BDO card online from the app. See you in another video. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment.